Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending January 27th, stocks finished higher as the S&P 500 closed above 4,000 for the first time since early December. We had a lot of economic data last week, so let's get right to it. The Conference Board Leading Economic Index declined 1% in December after falling 1.1% in November. The Conference Board indicated, and I quote, "The index fell sharply again in December, continuing to signal recession for the U.S. economy in the near term," end quote. Real gross domestic product, or GDP, increased by a more than expected 2.9% during the last quarter of 22, while real personal expenditures increased by 2.1%. Exports of goods and services declined for the first time since the first quarter of 22, down 1.3%, while imports of goods and services declined 4.6%. The Advanced Durable Goods Report was much higher than expected due to a large increase in transportation equipment. Durable goods orders excluding transportation was negative. Initial jobless claims decreased by 6,000 to 186,000 for the week ending January 21st. New home sales increased on a national level in December by 2.3%. The average sales price was $528,400. Personal income increased by 0.2% in December. Disposable personal income increased by 0.3%, while personal consumption expenditures decreased by 0.2%. The pending home sales index increased by 2.5% in December as mortgage rates declined. And the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index increased to 64.9 in January from 59.7 in December. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.5%, the S&P is up 6%, and the Nasdaq is up 11%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.52%. Oil closed at $79.46 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,927.60 an ounce. And silver closing at $23.51 an ounce. For this week of January 30th, there's nothing reporting on Monday. Tuesday, we'll get the Employment Cost Index, both the Case-Shiller and FHFA Home Price Index, the Rental Vacancy Rate, and the Consumer Confidence Index. Wednesday, the ADP Employment Report, the Purchasing Managers Manufacturing Index, the Service Manufacturing Index, job openings, construction spending, and motor vehicle sales will be reported. Also on Wednesday, the federal funds rate will be announced, along with Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, productivity data, factory goods orders, and core capital goods orders. And on Friday, non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, the U.S. Services PMI, and the ISM Services Index will be reported. Also, corporations will continue to report their earnings for the fourth quarter. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a prosperous week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.